So I've used Danish oil on several projects now, and I'm loving the satiny natural finish it brings to the wood. It's super quick and easy to apply, and it adds a lot of beauty and protection to the wood. Before applying the Danish oil, you want to make sure your wood is sanded down smooth and wiped down clean. I like to sand all my projects down, starting with an 80 grit, and then a 120 grit, and then finally a 220 grit sandpaper. And I found out with Danish oil, it's good to put on a nice coat. You want to kind of rub it in and then take a dry cloth and kind of wipe off the excess. If you don't do that, then it leaves like a sticky mess, I found out. So what I do is I'll just pour a little bit on there, spread this on, just rub it in, make sure it all looks wet. And when you got that all rubbed in nice, then you come back with the dry cloth and just give it kind of a little buff off the excess. And that makes for a nice even coat on there. And then we're gonna put this to the side, let this dry out for about 15 minutes, put one more coat on there. All right, before I put the Danish oil on there, I didn't notice this so bad. It was kind of minor and it looked fine, but then you put the Danish oil, it really brings out the color of the wood, and it really makes a big contrast where I sanded to get some of the imperfections out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sand it all down so it's all the lighter color like that. I think that's gonna look much better than the dark and the light. So it'll take a few minutes to do that, and then we'll put some more oil on there. As you can see with the Danish oil, it's no problem to re-sand after application. All right, yeah, that's much nicer. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see the complete video of how these boards were used to make open shelves, check the link in the description.